Hello everyone, this step we will check our structure. Click on review views. Click on the auto design check. For the column and raster we do not use the auto design. You can click on the column. Yes, no auto design. You can check it. Okay, you set it on. You can come back to the structure and select on the column. You see here the auto design text and take it. Check for the other column. Yeah, auto design do not touch. Turn the rows panel and width panel. Again, click on the raster. Yeah, auto design option also turn off. Come back and check it for the raster and column. We do not use auto option design in Tekla Structural Designer because we want to check analysis design and optimize the restraint. If the section cannot receive after we optimize and add the restraint, we will use auto design option to change the section automatically. Check for the fit pin to connection. You see in the yellow color pin, so the beam or raster design as the pin connection. The structure will not stable. We had to change it from pin to fit connection for single portal frame. Click on the front. Come back to structure. Click. Control select. Scroll down. Check and release. Add release. Change to fully fixed. Change to fully fixed. Seal it. Come back and check again. Yes, pin for the girth and purlin is okay, and for the mezzanine floor is okay. Now our structure is correct. Check for the steel grade and section. This is the grade of the material. You can check for the steel beam and can change for the column. Yeah, we use the same as SE 440 and change to press. Okay, it correct with our concept. Check for the section and beam. We use the red color. 500 multiplied with 200 is correct. Change to the columns. Yeah, the same is correct. And for the press, we can optimize the section of the press of beam, column, and other element later after you complete analysis and design part all of the requirement in the design stage. For optimized state, we come back, optimize it again and again to complete one step to other step. The first step do not focus on optimize, focus on how to perform and check your structure part or requirement. So after that you can come back and optimize the section again and again. Click on structure. Click on the member to show the direction. This is very important for the beam and column because when you assign the restraint on the top plane or on the bottom plane, the narrow side on the top plane, yeah, this plane is the top plane and opposite plane is the bottom plane. For the beam, narrow side at the top is the top plane, at the bottom is the bottom plane. Check for other column. Yeah, it's correct. During the modeling, why I rotate it 90 degree and column one other side I rotate it minus degree because I want to rotate it correctly with direction of the top plane and compression plane. So you can easy to model and assign restraint later. Now the top plane is outside the building and bottom plane is inside the building. We use the same geometry, the same top and atom compression plane, it's easy to add restraint on the beam and raster. You can check and modify it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for your watching. Thank you.